Hey everybody, today we're heading to Nova Scotia. We're going to head towards Oxford and then over towards Five Islands. There's a group called the Sunrise ATV Club. They're having a run from Pugwash to Five Islands, so we're going to try and link up with them. Worst case we don't find them, best case we have a great time on our own. So enjoy the video. Hope we see some cool sights on our way. 7:14 on the bike clock. We're leaving home. See how quick we can get to Oxford. What do you think, an hour and a half? I don't know the name of this pit, but we always stop here. 7:58. Always got a mulcher head on. Sandy. I wonder if they were in here mowing the trails. You think? Or they're gonna be? I don't see no evidence of them being down here, so maybe that's what they're gonna do this week. That'd be nice. This is a nice spot. It always has lots of lily pads. I would say somebody's been through here today. There's bubbles in the water there. We're making good time. It's 8:14. We've been 1 hour so far. Bump. Again, back in Oxford. There's the blueberry. 8:23, so an hour and 7 minutes. No, let's say we left at 7:14. We're here at 8:24. Right, we got Matt, Kim, and Greg. Let's head her down the fucking trail. Trans-Canada access point, Trans-Canada Trail. The bridge is closed for maintenance. Oh, we got it.
Hold on, guys.
Looks like everyone's been doing this already.